70. Noun. Names a person, place, thing, or idea. Concrete noun. Can be touched, seen, or experienced. Car. Proper noun. Names for people, places, or things. Proper nouns are ever capitalized. Eiffel Tower. Abstract noun. Represents ideas, qualities, or concepts. Cannot be physically touched. Love. Collective noun. Refer to a group of people, animals, or things. Family. Tip 70. Exercise. Classify as concrete, abstract, or collective. Plain is concrete, pride is collective, pack is collective, freedom is abstract, justice is abstract, water is concrete,